In the face of economic downturns, opportunity doesn't knock, it breaks down the door. Ever wondered how some emerge from recessions not just unscathed but ahead? Stick around as we unveil strategies to thrive in tough times. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Amid news headlines blaring warnings from billionaires like Warren Buffett and economic analysts about an impending financial crisis, and with 70% of Americans bracing for a recession, the specter of economic upheaval looms large. Recessions, intimidating as they may seem, are an integral cycle of the economy. Historically more frequent, their occurrence has been spaced out with the Federal Reserve's oversight, promoting extended periods of growth. However, the recent recession signals we might be hitting a ceiling. Preparing means bolstering savings, making smart investments, leveraging opportunities for new ventures, holding steady on the market front, diversifying income through the gig economy, steering clear of debt, and considering stable investments like precious metals. With the right approach, these challenges can transform into opportunities for financial fortitude. Now, here are 7 essential strategies to navigate through and potentially thrive during economic downturns. Number 1. Always keep cash handy. In difficult periods, cash acts as a crucial safety buffer. While prosperous times might tempt individuals towards flashy investments like digital currencies and art, a looming financial crisis often leads even the wealthiest to prefer liquid assets. Warren Buffett, a model of prudence over extravagance, exemplifies this by holding substantial cash reserves for opportune moments. Preparing for economic downturns involves reducing unnecessary expenses. Foregoing small luxuries such as daily coffee or new shoes can significantly impact savings, especially as inflation escalates costs. With ongoing supply chain challenges potentially prolonging for over a year, accumulating savings is key. To navigate future financial hardships, the essence lies in conserving funds. Financial security is fundamentally a matter of wise money management amidst uncertainty. Ensuring personal financial stability lies within your control. Number 2. Focus on solvent enterprises. During financial downturns, numerous businesses face hardships, with some shutting down. Employees have personal financial obligations, making it challenging for companies to operate without adequate funds. Reflecting on the 2008 financial crisis, giants such as General Motors, Chrysler, and AIG experienced bankruptcy, requiring assistance from more stable entities for governmental intervention. Thus, investing in companies with significant reserves is wise, serving as a financial buffer in hard times. Firms like Apple and Microsoft maintain substantial savings, preferring to endure the gradual erosion of cash value due to inflation over facing a cash crunch in a recession. Reviewing a company's balance sheet reveals its cash reserves, indicating its resilience during economic challenges. However, it's essential to recognize that not every company can match the financial fortitude of industry leaders like Apple. Number 3. Seeing recession as an opening. While recession might appear daunting for launching a business, it often presents unique openings. In prosperous times, competing against established giants is daunting. However, economic downturns can bog down these giants with challenges, providing a window for startups. WhatsApp, initiated in 2009 amidst financial turmoil, later joined Facebook for $19 billion and now boasts over 2 billion users. Similarly, Uber, founded in the same year, reached valuations close to $50 billion. Success stories aren't limited to these. Pinterest, Venmo, Slack, Square, and Bitcoin emerged around the same period, with the latter inspiring a new financial sector. Tesla, nearly failing during the crisis, emerged as a dominant force in the automotive industry. Beyond startups, recessions offer career advancement opportunities, as evidenced by junior managers advancing during tough times. Number 4. The merit of holding on. Patience is simpler when assets are appreciating. For instance, early Bitcoin investors saw their stakes skyrocket. Yet, during downturns, panic often leads to premature sell-offs. If one fears a global collapse, liquidating assets seems pointless. Historically, the stock market has weathered the Great Depression, global conflicts, and numerous recessions. Profitable investors are typically those who either sold before a downturn, a challenging strategy given the unpredictability of market timing, or those who endured through the crisis, awaiting the eventual market recovery and growth. This history underlines the value of resilience and long-term perspective in investment strategies, especially during periods of economic contraction. Number 5. Leveraging the gig economy. In recessionary times, the traditional job market tightens, but the gig economy often sees growth. This sector, defined by temporary and freelance work, can be a robust source of income. You can capitalize on this by marketing your skills online. Fields in demand include writing, graphic design, web development, among others. Starting with competitive pricing can pave the way to higher earnings as you gain experience. Skills are essentially recession-proof, as there's always a need for cost-effective, flexible solutions from both companies and individuals. This approach not only helps in generating income, but also in diversifying your financial sources, crucial during economic slumps. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer gateways to these opportunities, turning your capabilities into a durable income avenue while offering job market adaptability. Number 6. Avoiding debt. Unpreparedness for economic downturns leads to financial hardship, often forcing individuals into debt. Recession, usually triggered by financial bubbles or inflation, prompts interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, making loans more expensive. Historical instances such as the 2007 housing bubble peak and the 2000 dot-com bubble saw significant rate increases, exacerbating financial divides. Recessions can deepen wealth inequality, as those less financially stable may resort to borrowing for essentials, in contrast to wealthier individuals who can capitalize on the crisis. It underscores the importance of financial preparedness and the avoidance of debt as a strategy to mitigate recession impacts, emphasizing the necessity of building savings and managing expenditures wisely. Number 7. Investing in precious metals. In unstable economic conditions, precious metals like gold and silver emerge as reliable investments, maintaining value even when other assets falter. Direct purchases of these metals or investments through ETFs and mining stocks are common methods. Their allure stems from inherent scarcity and the labor-intensive extraction process, independent of fluctuating economic conditions. Precious metals are perceived as a safe haven for preserving wealth amidst market uncertainties, offering a secure alternative to more volatile investments. Moreover, their universal value ensures appeal beyond any single nation's economic health, presenting a viable option for safeguarding assets during global economic downturns. Navigating through economic downturns with strategic foresight can not only safeguard your financial stability, but also present unprecedented opportunities for growth. By embracing adaptability and informed decision-making, you can turn potential challenges into stepping stones for success. What steps will you take to ensure you're prepared for the next recession? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.